morning from the beautiful Arizona open desert.
I'm Paul.
And I'm James.
And this is Chompers.
And this is the Great American RV Trip 2019 from Homolovi State Park. Homolovi State Park in northern Arizona.
This is a great state park. There's electrical and water hookups at each of the sites, a dump station, and the sites are really spread out.
We're just off I-40, literally. You don't hear freeway noise, barely in the distance. But it's just off I-40, so it makes a really good stopping point if you need a place in this area without going too far and you're just driving along and need a quick hotel place to throw your RV.
And you can reserve it online, which is great. The days here can be warm in the summer, but last night it was perfect. We literally slept with the windows open and just a nice, dry, cooler breeze was very comfortable to sleep in.
The last few days we've been spending roughly following I-40 from Texas through New Mexico and here to Arizona. And wherever we could, we got off on little smaller roads and explored some of the amazing Southwest. You kind of pass along Route 66, which you can take advantage of. The skies are beautiful, the landscape changes pretty quickly.
And just before we got to Homolovi, we drove through the Petrified Forest and National Park and Painted Desert. This was our second time through the park, and while we were there, it began to rain, which was fine because there are great vistas of the Painted Desert, and we're able to get out and see some of the petroglyphs in some of the rocky areas of the park, which is really cool too.
In general, we just really love traveling in the Southwest and the West. You have a lot of open vistas, landscapes change pretty quickly, mountains to open, desert and long views, and watching the kinds of plants change for elevations. We just love it.
And we'll close off at the end of the video. We'll show some of the drone shots we took of some of the amazing landscapes all through Texas, New Mexico, and here in northern Arizona. They really are amazing.
And as always, thank you for watching our videos, for
like
the subscriptions,
subscribe.
for the comments.
Yeah.
Like the video below with your little button.
And remember,
travel on.